Good evening, I'm Norah O'Donnell, and thank you for being with us. We want to begin tonight with the news and analysis of that historic decision from the Supreme Court. The justices ruling that states cannot bar Donald Trump from running for another term, even though he is accused by some of insurrection. Colorado and several other states were seeking to disqualify Trump because of his actions surrounding the January 6th attack on the U.S. Capitol. Now, today's decision was unanimous. All 9 justices agreed that Trump cannot be barred from the ballot, in perhaps the most important ruling by the nation's highest court about a presidential election in more than 2 decades, since the decision of Bush versus Gore in 2000. This is the key paragraph of the ruling. States may disqualify persons holding or attempting to hold state office, but states have no power under the Constitution with respect to federal offices, especially the presidency. Now, the court's 3 liberal members say the court's majority went too far. Justices Sonia Sotomayor, Elena Kagan, and Ketanji Brown Jackson expressed frustration in a concurring opinion, saying the decision protects Donald Trump from, quote, future controversy. CBS's Robert Costa has the former president's reaction.
A crucial decision today with sweeping political consequences. The High Court ruling that former President Donald Trump cannot be removed from Colorado's ballot due to the state court's view that he stoked the January 6 insurrection.
You cannot take somebody out of a race. The voters can take the person out of the race very quickly, but a court shouldn't be doing that.
With this ruling, 2 other states also had their efforts to remove the former president stall. 3 justices, in a separate concurring opinion, said allowing the Colorado measure to go forward would, we agree, create a chaotic state-by-state patchwork. Amid a tense political landscape, Justice Amy Coney Barrett also urged Americans to see unity from the unanimous decision. Writing, in this circumstance, writings on the court should turn the national temperature down, not up. Colorado's Democratic Secretary of State offered sharp criticism of the decision.
I do believe that states should be able, under our Constitution, to bar oath-breaking insurrectionists.
The ruling comes a day before Super Tuesday, the biggest primary election day of the season, when voters in 15 states, including Colorado, head to the polls. And Trump's legal hurdles continue to pile up as the Supreme Court weighs another decision next month.
I hope that the justices, because they'll be working on some other cases, but one in particular, presidents have to be given total immunity. They have to be allowed to do their job.
Later this month, Trump will also spend 6 weeks in court, where he is charged with falsifying business records related to hush money payments to a porn star. Today, Trump's former CFO, Alan Weisselberg, pled guilty to 2 counts of perjury in the New York civil fraud case, but he will not testify against his former boss.
Looking ahead to tomorrow, top Republicans tell me they expect Trump to have a strong showing on Super Tuesday, accumulating a bushel of delegates as he marches closer to the nomination. Meanwhile, allies of former Ambassador Nikki Haley tell me she'll likely soon be at a crossroads about whether she's going to stay in the race. Norah.
Robert Costa, thank you very much.